is about, it's not that you're not going to be sad. It's not that you're not going to be frustrated, but it's about how much energy do you give towards that and then create more of that in your life. So let's go to a practical aspect of this. Let's say you go to work every day, and the people you work with are a bunch of gossip mongrels, or they're negative and they pull you down. Is that a higher vibration or is that a lower vibration? And what is that doing to your frequency just being in the atmosphere of those people? You know that phrase they always say, misery loves company? You're pushing your frequency and your vibration down. So it's lower vibrating megahertz. This is how it works, ladies and gents. So to be abundant and to actually live a life that you really want to live, it's about where are you spending your time. So if there's a job that you have in your life that doesn't feed your heart and soul anymore and it doesn't giggle for you to do the work, maybe the work makes you giggle, but the people you're doing it with sucks. Okay, well then start applying for jobs in other places or other cities. Maybe it's the fact that you don't like the location, you don't like the weather and where you live. So you want to work either remotely because live somewhere else so that the weather aligns with your physical self, or maybe you need to change jobs completely in another place because you don't like the people you work with. This is where we don't understand that your abundance in your life is or is not showing up because it's all interrelated. It's all an energy container that you're actually operating in. So it's super important for you to start to look at what is the energetic container that you are living in and day out in your work world, your family world. Maybe you vibrated with your spouse at one point, and these days it's just not happening. So you either make some changes and you grow together to create that abundance and that happiness, or maybe it's like, call it a day and cut bait and go, because maybe both parties will be way more happier, even though it may take a lot of courage to shift that container. So I want you to take a look at all aspects of your life. Not only your money, but your family life, your work life, your personal life. What is it that is not high vibrating emotions being created inside of self from those experiences? Because whether you have abundance or don't have abundance, it's all tied to your frequency. Do you want to experience free coaching based on my 25 plus years as being a financial planner and ask me any question that you want to ask me to help you get past that hurdle in your financial world? I run these free workshops every other month to start to open you up to start to help you get to this next place. The information for my free workshop, click the link below and register, and I'll see you on the next workshop.